Hello everyone and welcome to Driven Mad.
Now if you've watched the other episode, we've changed the majority of fittings and joints on our L200, but we've still got a very small clunk and it's annoying us. So today we're going to change the stabiliser links. So let's get Muscles to do it.
Let's do it. Okay, so you can see we're under the car, we've got it up in the air, and these are the stabiliser drop links here for the sway bar, and they're basically two 17mm nuts, which you've just got to take off. So let's get them off. Start with the bottom one. Alright, so there's number one. Right, and I can't get a socket on this one, so I'm going to... Typical, the microphone died, so I'm filling in with a voiceover, but I'm using a hammer here to undo the nut. Now this took quite a while, as like I said, you can't get a socket or a ratchet spanner on there, so I had to do this quarter of a turn at a time. Now reinstallation is exact reversal. We've got left hand side labelled and right hand side labelled. Now this is the driver's side of the car, this is a left hand drive vehicle, so we're going to put in the left side drop link. Okay, another thing to point out when doing them up, they also spin, so as you start to really crank on them, they turn. Now you need to use an Allen key to hold them still whilst you tighten them up. We also put some medium strength thread locker on these, and I'm not going to beat around the bush, this did not fix our clunking issue. So if anyone watching this knows what it could be, we've changed literally everything we can possibly think of. So like I say, if you know any other recommendations of parts to change, please let us know, it'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much for watching, please like, comment and subscribe.